BSc Forensic Science and Criminology is a dual major program offered by the Department of Forensic Science, Kristu Jayanti College, Bengaluru. This program focuses on forensic science, which is the investigation of crime using scientific techniques and also applying it to the criminal justice system. Whereas criminology is a sociological approach towards the study of crime, understanding crime, the criminal's behavior, and also rehabilitation of the criminal. Forensic science and criminology both go hand in hand, as investigation and understanding of the crime is a very important aspect for the future, as we are intending to prevent crime and build a safer environment in our society. Therefore, forensic science and criminology is an excellent program for students who are interested in working with the law enforcement system, who are also interested in working for the society. Studying at Kristu Jayanti College will definitely be an exposure as well as a beneficial experience to every student that enrolls here. Hence, I would suggest anyone who is interested in taking up BSc Forensic Science and Criminology to pursue your degree at Kristu Jayanti College.